What is this thing? What is this?
It's Eddie's phone.
Where did it come from?
I don't know. Now we're gonna reveal that this baby right here. Not a smart idea. But this is a Maytag 12,000. I'm gonna show you. 70 right now. Got one in the fan, like this polar fan running. There's one in the living room. That which is you can't see. I'll show you real quick. That I'll make a video of. There's one in the office. There's one right here that's a Kenmore. 24,000. It's big. And it's strong. But we're not making a video of that. We're making a video of this thing, which is on right now. And the fan's kind of like that. It's cool. It's old. And plug is right there. You can see it. You know, I'll show you the plug. You can see that green